Y'all ready?
Everything I said I do, I did. I'm good. I'm good. Everything
Dedication.
I said I do, I did.
What's up, guys? So welcome back with the TougeNights. Today we're actually gonna go pick up a part for the MR2, the left side fender that I need. I mean, that's a start. I still need the light, but we're gonna go to El Monte today. It's already 6, so hopefully we'll be there by 1. I'm probably working by 8. And yeah, so I just got home. I got some quesadillas real quick, and we're headed out there. So
Oh no!
Holy shit, we almost died.
I got that in camera too. So we started we started the journey already.
We have like an hour and a half left.
We have an hour and like 40 minutes.
Yeah, dude, I'll see you soon.
I mean, it's around the corner, you know. But
and then we got. All right, guys. So we're actually on the 15 now, and we got a GTI next to us that wants to run it.
you know, hood red shit.
What the hell is? We're an hour and a half away from the location, and I already texted the guy. He said hit him up when I'm like 15 minutes away. So hopefully the part that I want is it's clean, because in the picture it looks pretty clean, but you know what's in person, like it looks different sometimes. You know, it's just like Photoshop and shit, but hopefully we can get the part and start on the MR2, because I've been really wanting to take the MR2 out, but I can't. And also, like, that car, when I bought it, I bought it at the same place too, like El Monte, same spot.
Oh, that was?
Yeah, the same spot, around the same spot. When I bought a different car, the way it handles is crazy. Like Toyota was known for that car too. It was the Supra, the MR2, the Celica, the GT. What?
The Celica GT4.
Yeah, GT4, and then also the 86, the Corolla, and that's when the MR2 came out. It was their sports car at the time, which Toyota doesn't really make many sports car.
Not anymore.
Not anymore, but
they messed up.
yeah, I don't know what happened to it there.
But they're putting their foot in the water again.
Yeah, with the new Supra that's come out, or it already out, but it's gonna release during summer, I believe, right? Summer.
Around summer is when people are gonna start.
Well, actually, they're already sold out. They're already pre-ordered, like all of them.
Yeah, well, yeah, they are sold out, or at least the pre-order is, because they're not planning on making a lot, you know. So they said around summertime is when people should start receiving their Supras, and the time the dealers should start receiving them as well.
Honestly, I can't wait about that, or for that car to, like, I just want to see it on the streets. Like, it's a legend, you know, Supra, and then just like, I don't know what you guys think about the Supra, but me, I think it's a perfect car.
Yeah, and we'll have another video going up soon. Basically,
what we think about the Supra.
Yeah, basically,
because up to date right now, a lot of people hate on that car. I don't know why. They're like, oh, it doesn't have much power. It's not gonna be what we wanted. I don't know what.
Well, which is cool, because you're entitled to your own opinion. But we're just gonna be here. We're gonna make a video explaining how you're wrong.
Yeah, because
Supra is a badass car.
Yeah, Supra is like, they didn't make that car just to make it. Like, everything about that car is for a reason. Like,
yeah, and
the power it has is for the hand. I don't know. Like, we'll explain it more. Like,
just wait on the video and on the explanation, and
if you hate on it, please, like, don't even watch it. It's like, what are you doing with your life? Like, it's a Supra. You can't hate a Supra.
So we're about 5 minutes out.
We made it, guys.
I mean, it didn't feel like a long time, honestly. We were just kicking it, talking about life,
about the cars that we want.
Yeah, we're gonna check out the fender first, and if the guy's cool, then he'll introduce himself, or maybe not.
Yeah, so
and hopefully he'll show us his MR2.
that's what we're waiting, guys, for. He has a clean MR2. He has a turbo MR2 stock, but I think it's stock, but the turbo one.
Yeah. All right.
But yeah, we'll see what happens right now, guys. All right, guys. So we finally made it to David's house. We got the fender right here.
We'll put his Instagram in the link or in the description.
Yeah, just follow me, guys.
Of course, man. Thank you for the fender,
yeah,
man.
you guys made the drive. That's a pretty long drive.
Anything for
Here's
the
the
MR2,
MR2
man.
fender.
It's clean.
Driver
No
side.
dents. It's just the paint, but I'm gonna repaint it anyway, so that's pretty cool. But shout out to David, man. Appreciate it, man. Wow.
Yeah, no problem, man. Anytime. Wherever you guys need coils or whatever, just hit me up.
Hit him up, bro. For sure.
All right, guys. So it's been a couple of days since we last picked up the camera. Finally gonna do it today. We're gonna try to put on the fender. We don't have the bolts. The bolts.
The original bolts, but we're gonna use zip ties for now, just to get it on there. And the main thing for this car right now is just to get it on the street, back on the street. I can drive it like this, but I don't really want to drive it like this. I wanna put on the fender, and then I'm still looking for the light. This car's gonna be really hard to get the parts for. It took me like 3 weeks just to get this fender, a clean fender. I've been looking for them.
Yeah. Shout out to
David.
Shout out to David.
David, man, El Monte. We went all the way over there to pick this up. Original. He said he bought it for his MR2, but I guess he did like a wide body type of thing for his MR2. And we'll show you guys his MR2 in the future if he comes down here. He said he would sometime. Well, yeah, big thank you to David for this fender, man. I mean, it's red, but of course it's a project car, so I'm still gonna be working on it.
It's not gonna stay this color forever. You don't know the color.
I don't know yet. This is my project car, so we'll see what color we go. I mean, it's pretty clean, this color. You know, it's the paint's right there. It's clean. I mean, it's dusty, but it's clean. The paint's clean.
It's been sitting for a while.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and install this fender today, and then hopefully I can get this light soon. And then after that, we should be good to be on the streets.
After a couple of tries, we got the fender on. He's just zip tightening little bolts right there. Cause there's four bolts that are supposed to line up right there, and right now the holes don't line up, but we can pull the front bumper a little bit back, and hopefully we'll be able to clear this little gap issue we're having right here. But overall, you can start getting the feel. Another update. So these holes right here, let me see if you can see these holes right here. You can't really have access to them.
Have the bolts, maybe it would be easier.
Yeah. But I think Napa is closed right now, so I don't think we can get the bolts. And I don't even know what size these are.
Goodie bag. Let me see what I have in here.
Oh, just the gato.
I have everything.
Toyota. But yeah, the fitment's good. We just gotta pull there, so we can close the gap right here, and so the holes can line up, because they're lining up, but barely. So we're at a standstill right now, so we don't know if we should wait for the bolts or
install it. Try to put a zip ties on it.
yeah, because we got this part in, but we need the bolts right here, and that's basically all that's holding the fender together.
Oh man. Okay.
So we can secure the front, just not the rear.
Alright, so
So he took another bolt from the other fender.
guys, I'm a problem solver, guys. Come on.
Because the holes weren't lining up with the zip ties. So he got another bolt from the other fender, and
Well, there was actually no way to zip tie it anyways.
yeah.
So we got one from this one and put it on there. Just for now, guys. I was trying to go buy the bolts at Napa, but they're closed right now. So maybe we'll finish it up tomorrow. But for now,
I mean, fitment's awesome. Once we put the bolt, everything started lining up. It's just the bottom right here, but I mean, I think that's.
see if it closes all everything that it closed. So
Oh, look at
I
that.
mean,
Good.
It's still not all the way down, so it's chilling.
Oh no, yeah. And then, but we don't have all the bolts. We just have one. But I feel like once we get the bolts for right here, everything should start lining. Oh shit! Everything should start lining up perfectly. But yeah. So this is how she is with the fender.
Yeah,
So,
guys, this car is a babe.
She still got work to do,
It's
but
got a lot of work.
the
But
fender-
This is the fun part of it, you know.
fender was a big part of it. Now it's just the headlight.
The
How about the
headlight.
light?
It's a. Honestly, I was more worried about the fender than the light. The lights, I can get them aftermarket. But this right here was really. I wanted to get a like legit original. So
Yeah.
big shout out to David, man. You came in clutch, man. Thank you. We seen some clips of his MR2, and I think like most of the work is gonna be done by someone that he knows.
That'll conclude today's video on the MR2. We got the fender. We semi-installed it. We're just gonna get the actual bolts for it, and
Yeah.
because the place didn't work out.
But I mean, it's on now. The car is a beauty. It's really, I love it. I don't know how.
So like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below.
What color would you put on this MR2?
Yeah, if this was yours, what color would you put on
And
it?
also just comment to give us feedback. Like we just started YouTube, so
Yeah, leave
what
us
do we need,
comments
like,
in the. Or,
what do we need help on, or like what do we need to improve on?
yeah,
should I say?
give us constructive
feedback.
criticism.
It doesn't matter negative or positive. We'll, you know,
Yeah,
that's all we learn. But yeah, give us feedback, please, and stay tuned with the TougeNights.
and subscribe of course, and have a good day.
Of course.